Want to turn your simple photos into mesmerizing pieces of art? Here's Illusion Diffusion for you. In this video, we'll explore how you can use this tool to transform your photos, text, and logos into captivating illusion art in just 3 easy steps. And stay tuned because there's a pro tip at the end you definitely don't want to miss. Let's get started with the first step, setting up Illusion Diffusion. It's a straightforward process and you'll be creating stunning art in no time. First, you'll need to visit the Illusion Diffusion website on Hugging Face. Just type Hugging Face Illusion Diffusion into your browser and click on the first link. Hugging Face is a popular platform for AI tools, and Illusion Diffusion is one of the gems you can find there. It's super easy to access and completely free to use, which is great for both hobbyists and professionals. Once you're on the site, the next step is to upload the picture you wish to transform. Simply click on the Upload button, select your image, and you're ready to go. You can use any image you like, a personal photo, a logo, or even a simple sketch. The tool supports various file formats, including JPG, PNG, and GIF, so you have plenty of options. For the best results, it's advisable to use high-quality images. The clearer and more detailed your base image is, the more stunning the final artwork will be. But don't worry if you don't have professional-grade photos. This tool is pretty forgiving and can work wonders even with average-quality images. Now let's move on to the fun part, creating your illusion. This is where you get to unleash your creativity and see the magic of the tool in action. The first thing you'll do here is enter a prompt. This is where you describe the scene or effect you want to create. Think of it as giving the AI a set of instructions on what you want your final image to look like. For example, you might type a forest with glowing mushrooms or a city skyline with a surreal twist. Be as creative as you like. The more detailed and imaginative your prompt, the better the results. If you're not sure what to write, start simple and add more details as you go. This tool is great at interpreting a wide range of descriptions, from straightforward to highly elaborate. Here are some tips for writing effective prompts. First, use descriptive language. Think about colors, shapes, and textures. Second, include emotional or atmospheric elements. Words like dreamy, mystical, or vibrant can help set the tone. And lastly, experiment with different styles. Try prompts inspired by different art movements like surrealism, impressionism, or abstract art. Next, you'll notice that there's an option to choose the type of illusion effect you want by selecting one of the examples above the prompt box. You can create stripes, spirals, hidden images, or even text transformations. Each effect has its own unique characteristics, so feel free to experiment until you find the one that best suits your vision. You can also adjust settings like strength and scale to customize the effect to your liking. For instance, increasing the strength will make the illusion more pronounced, while adjusting the scale can change the overall impact of the effect. Play around with these settings to see how they affect your image. Once you're happy with your settings, click Run and watch as the AI transforms your image. This process might take a few moments, but the results are worth the wait. The AI will analyze your input and create a unique piece of art based on your prompt and settings. After generating your image, it's time to fine-tune and save your masterpiece. This step ensures that your final artwork looks exactly the way you want it. Take a close look at the output and make any necessary adjustments. Maybe you want the colors to pop more, or perhaps you need to tweak the scale for a better fit. This is your chance to perfect your artwork. This tool allows you to go back and modify your prompt or settings, so don't hesitate to experiment until you're satisfied with the result. For instance, you might notice that the colors, lighting, and effects aren't as vibrant as you expected. In that case, you can adjust them using a negative prompt or add more descriptive words to your prompt to enhance the look and feel of your photo. Or if the illusion effect is too strong, you can dial it back a bit to make it more subtle. Finally, save your masterpiece to your computer. Click the Save button and choose where you want to store the image. It's a good idea to save multiple versions if you've made several adjustments, so you can compare them later and choose your favorite. Now you have a unique piece of art ready to share with the world. You can use it for social media, print it on merchandise, or even frame it as a piece of home decor. And now, with a pro tip. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and settings. The more you play around with this tool, the more unique and creative your results will be. Try combining different effects or adjusting the strength to discover new possibilities. For example, you might create a kaleidoscopic forest and then add a dreamy sky with floating islands in the background. By layering different prompts, you can achieve incredibly complex and mesmerizing results. Adjust the strength to see how subtle or intense you want the illusion to be. Higher strength settings can make the effects more pronounced, creating a bold, striking image, while lower settings can add a gentle, almost ethereal quality to your art. Remember, there are no limits to creativity with this tool. The key is to experiment and have fun with the process. Each adjustment and new prompt can lead to a completely different artistic outcome. Now it's your turn to be creative. Make sure to check out the next video to learn more tools like Illusion Diffusion.